Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some fun hairstyles that I've been loving doing recently. I get a lot of questions on my hair, so I thought I would show you some different ways that I've been styling it. And I use quite a lot of hair accessories, so I thought I would show you the different ones that I'm loving and different ways that I use hair clips and scrunchies and bows and things like that. In my previous video, somebody commented and said that it'd be really fun if I called you guys my pink angels, and I just think that's the cutest name. So like, you know how YouTubers have names for their fans, that is what you guys are going to be if you're all cool with that. I think that sounds so lovely, so you guys can be my pink angels. So if you want to subscribe and become part of my pink angel family, then don't forget to, and also please check me out on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _. Lots of pink content, hairstyle, makeup, fashion, just lifestyle in general, and you like the sound of that, then please do come and join my pink family and become a pink angel. My name is Amy and I welcome you to my channel. I really hope you enjoy, and this is just a positive, happy place on the internet with lots and lots of pink. Thank you so much to everyone. I just really appreciate all of you guys for subscribing and all of that. Right, let's just get on with the video. Please do excuse my voice. I am kind of losing it. It sounds like I'm about to cry, so I might not be doing so much talking during this video, so please bear with me. So to start off, I've already curled my hair. I curl my hair 3 different ways, and I will do a future video showing you exactly how I curl it and make my curls last as well. But today I've just got nice tight curls that I've brushed out. It's quite kind of princessy vibes, so I really like my hair like this. And I'm just going to show you the first way that I get my hair out of my face. I just quite like kind of not having it bothering me. So my first thing is, even when my hair is freshly washed, I find that I quite often need to use some dry shampoo. So I use the tropical one. It's Coconut and Exotic from Batiste. This is my favourite one because it smells so good. So I quite often just spritz a little bit of that into my hair because I just find that it gives a little bit more texture so that the kind of braids that I do stay in nicer. So I always use this little comb here. This is such a good little comb. I section my hair and do my parting and things with this, and then I also just use it to do my little braids. So I'm going to take a small section from the front, just about this big, and all I do is I just French plait this kind of front section of my fringe just towards the back of my head, and I just add really small pieces. So I'm just popping in this pretty sparkly clip. So this is just super easy and quick, and it gets my hair out of my face but it's still down and nice looking, so I really like this one. So sometimes it's just really good to get your hair out of your face, and I will tie my hair up into a high pony when I do that. So I have a system to do the perfect pony. So And then once I've gathered all of my hair, I take my little comb again and I just make sure to smooth it all. And then once I'm happy, I just secure it with my pink hair bobble. Then I go in with another bobble. It's just the same kind, the exact same bobble, and this just smooths out any bumps. And it also makes your ponytail tighter, so I tighten the bobble and put it like underneath, if you can see, underneath the first bobble. And as you can see, that just gives so much more height to the ponytail. So sometimes I will leave my hair like that, or I will add my little hair scrunchie. So I'm going to do that today. Yeah, there is my other hairstyle. So this is my favourite thing. You just smooth out any bumps. This hair bobble I actually got in the children's section in Sainsbury's, so if you're struggling looking for like pretty hair bows and bobbles and things, look in the children's section, because I don't see why you can't wear a pink bow when you're almost 22. But I just really love my hair like this. I think it looks really pretty, and again, my hair is literally just out of my face, but it still looks really cute. And most of the time my hair is curled. Sometimes I do have it straight, but I just kind of prefer it curled, so most of the time it looks like this. So the next hairstyle is perfect if you're just popping out to the shops, you just want to have a nice casual look, you just want to get your hair kind of out of your face slightly, and I think the perfect way to do that is to pop on a nice tiara. I just think it's nice and casual, you know, why not? This was a gift. My mum and dad got me this tiara for graduating. It's such a cute present and I'm so excited to wear this. I'm actually going to wear this to my graduation because we don't wear caps, so I may as well wear something in my hair, and I think it should be a tiara. So then for the final hairstyle, I'm just simply grabbing a little clear hair elastic, and I'm just going to be using my comb again and sectioning the front of my hair. So I'm just kind of taking just from above my ear and I kind of pull up towards the centre of my head here. So what I'm doing here is I'm keeping my hair in the shape of my parting, and then I'm also just going to be pulling out some little sections at the front a little bit. to accessorise, I'm using this little hair bow from Victoria's Secret. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and become part of my Pink Angel family, and I will see you next time. Bye!